Hey, hey. Welcome everybody to Miss Glow's Kitchen, where there's sugar, spice, and everything nice, where we slice, dice, and entice, using everything we can, from peppers to allspice. What's up, my people? Y'all know what time it is? See y'all in the kitchen. Red beans with rice on the menu today. And I'm going to make this so easy for you. All of the ingredients I have listed on that screen above. You're going to put all of that in the pot except for the salt and the rice. Everything else goes in the pot and you bring it to a rolling boil. Alright, so I'm going to list the ingredients up there, but I'm going to list the amounts in the description box down below. If you haven't hit like and subscribe by now, do so and hit that bell for notifications. Alright, so once you get everything in and stirred up, you're going to put it on high heat. You're going to bring it to a rolling boil, just like you see right here. Once it's at a rolling boil, you're going to stir it again. You're going to reduce it to simmer. Put the top on it, and you're going to let this go for 2 hours. If your smoked meat is on a bone, after that 2 hours, take it off. So once you take it off the bone, you're going to put it back in here. You're going to let this go for another hour and a half, and you should be good. If for some reason at the end of that 3.5 hours, it's not thick enough, then you're going to put a cornstarch or a flour slurry in there, and you're going to thicken it up. That's the way you're going to do it. You're not going to overcook your beans. All right, this is what you're going to get. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, hit me up. I'll answer them for you. See y'all next time. For more great recipes, tips, and ideas, check out some of my other videos.